What's up, everybody? It's me, Christian, and I got another current event. So, I did my current event on the UK, which is the United Kingdom. Says the Prime Minister of Britain says that Russia may be behind a nerve attack on a double Russian spy. And this is the Prime Minister. Her name is Theresa May. And they said they used the nerve gas on a Russian double agent, and that the UK thinks it was likely from Moscow, from the type of nerve gas because of the contents of it. And the British Prime Minister Theresa said this was highly likely that Moscow was responsible for the poisoning England. A former Russian double agent, Sergei Skripal, and his daughter using military-grade nerve gas. And it was also said that Russian state was responsible for the poisoning, or they allowed the nerve gas to get into other people's hands. When Sergei and his daughter were first found on a bench in a mall in Britain, the first policeman who showed up, when he found the poisoned spy, he was also badly affected by the nerve gas and went to the hospital with them. And after they were taken to a hospital, they were all in serious but stable conditions, and only the police officer was conscious. The Prime Minister said on Wednesday they will consider in detail the response from the Russian states. And after the Prime Minister May's comment, the Russian Defense Military said May's comments were a circus show and part of a political campaign against the Russian states. The UK and Russian states dislike each other and have fights between each other when something bad happens to one of their peoples or spies. And I found this when I were excited. It was by Mel Tony. I did it on March 12th, 2018, and this is my site. And it said the skipper was 66 and his daughter was 33, and her name was Yulia. And additional reports by Osborne, Moscow, and Jonathan Scheinfeld, Oxford, Fraser, and Salisbury, England, and written by William Schoenberg, and edited by Richard Baumforth. And so, the Russian Foreign Ministry said that the circus show part of a political campaign against Russia that the local agencies reported. And the Prime Minister of Britain said there should be no credible response. In that they will use force by the Russian state against the United Kingdom. And that's all for my current event. Bye.